Okay, so Lee here's on his 24th round. Hurry up, hurry up. Good. Power cleans here. You think it's real lightweight? It is just 75 pounds with that vest. Just grinds away at you. Nice, good. Nice job, good. Nathan's starting, I think, 23 or 24. Nice job, Lee. I guess Lee's got one more. He's starting 25. Nice, Nathan, nice. It's a really simple little effort right here, but it's not easy. That's one, right, Lee? That's one. Yep. Yeah, come on. These guys just grinding through this last step up hit here. So 250. We get 4 guys on our bench pretty easy, so just grind through this whole thing. You should finish the session 60 minutes at the latest, and maybe I think they're going to finish here around 55 minutes. Nice, fellas.